What we do here is go back.
Hey guys, it's Louis again today with an unboxing. This product is from the company named Agvee or AGV. Don't know how I say it, but let's unbox this product. Let's see how good it is. You ready? Alright, so these are gonna be some really nice braided cables, as you can see. There you go, you can see. Really nice cables. So this came in a 4-pack. There's 4 cables in here, as you can see. Very nice looking cables. Gold plated as well. I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but yeah, these are, they feel really thick. I don't know if you can tell, but they feel really sturdy and stiff, which is a good thing, you know. So apparently these are made out of nylon, braided nylon, and it says that they were tested for up to 8,000 bends, so that's pretty cool. And apparently they're resistant to high temperatures, so that way they won't you know, light on fire or something, you know, which is always good. So what comes in the package is 2 6-foot cables and 3-foot cable, which is this one. These are the 2 6-foot, and one smaller one that's 1 foot long. I mean, pretty cool stuff here, you guys. And this is a very nice. This is like metal, I believe. So look at that quality right there. And I believe right now they are on Amazon for $8.20, which is an amazing deal. And if you have Prime, of course, you get that fast shipping. So let's see. Let me plug this in real quick. So as you can see, there's my phone. And it is charging. There we go. So yeah, you guys, these are some pretty nice cables, and I think for $8.20 you cannot go wrong for them, you know, with them. So yeah, they have a very strong nylon braided cable, and a very nice aluminum alloy housing. So that's what this is right here. Very sturdy stuff right here, you guys. I recommend that you check them out. I received this product for a discount, but of course that doesn't affect what I think about this product. This is a pretty good product, and I think you guys should check them out. All right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll put the links in the description so you guys can go and purchase this product.